In this video, you will know exactly how to build a landing page that converts like crazy. First step of creating a highly converting landing page is to understand the purpose of the landing page. A landing page is a separate web page that is designed to be the final destination for your ad campaign. It's where people land after clicking on your ad and decide whether to take action or not. Headline is going to be the first thing that people are going to see whether you have a product or service. From a long form sales page to a simple e-commerce product description, your headline should be the main thing that grabs the attention. And I have a free copywriting course that talks about how to write headlines. Definitely watch it after this video. The headline should definitely be relevant to the ad that you promoted. Otherwise, quality score and ad relevance will be ranked really low and you will be paying a lot more to get the same number of clicks. A good headline should no longer be more than 6 words. Should be bigger in the font than the rest of the text and should be placed above the fold. Above the fold means they don't have to scroll down to see the rest of it. Number 2, value proposition is the statement that tells people what they're gonna get out of taking action on your website. It should be clear, concise, and different than the product name. And I suggest it shouldn't be longer than 20 words. I usually place my offers in the value proposition section. It's kind of like a sub-headline. For instance, I had a course that is named Zero to Hero Digital Marketing, and my headline was Run Ads Like a Pro in 7 days. And my value proposition was Become a Certified Digital Marketer in 7 days. Underlines the fact that they're gonna get something out of taking action in this landing page. And it is less than 20 words. 3 is call to action, CTA. It's a button or a link that you want people to click on to take action on your website. Whether it's a sign up or a purchase, you want it to be green or red. This is really important. It is tested over and over again. Green converts the best and red converts okay. And I would suggest avoiding the rest of the colors. Make the text on the call to action relevant to the action of your website. For instance, if it's a sign up, put a sign up. If it's a free something, put a free something. If it's a purchase e-commerce product, I would suggest buy now or buy today. If it's a course, I suggest enroll today or enroll now. Also, the CTA should be placed above the fold. As I said, they don't have to scroll down all the way. And if you have a long form product page that requires 5 or 6 scrolls, I would suggest you have at least 3 or 4 call to actions on every scroll. 4, social proof is the evidence that people have taken action on your page before. This can include testimonials, customer reviews, and other people taking action on your website previously. Including social proof on your landing page should be a must. This will increase trust, credibility, and encourage them to take action. If you have video testimonials or requests from your customer, definitely have video testimonials that people using your product or service. But of course, you never want to fake them. Worst case scenario, if you're starting brand new, give the product or service to your mom or a friend and make them record a video for you. Number 5, benefits. Make no mistake, I said benefits, not features. People get caught off of saying 5 centimeters, 12 kg, made of cotton. But what those entail? People want to have visual experience of those features. So I have a great formula for you if you're watching this right now. By the way, if you're enjoying this, don't forget to subscribe and like and share with a friend who will find this useful. This formula is feature, put so that, and benefit. This is gonna make you turn features into benefits. For example, selling t-shirts and you have a feature, which is t-shirts made out of bamboo. How can you turn this into a benefit? You want people to visualize that t-shirt made of bamboo is gonna help them achieve something. This t-shirt is made out of bamboo so that you don't sweat all day. You can feel comfortable wearing that amazing t-shirt all day 24/7. Number 6, guarantees. Humans are risk averse by nature. With every purchase, we want to minimize the risk that we take. So our decision-making system always looks for guarantees. Let me give you some example of possible guarantees that you can use. 30-day money-back guarantee, lifetime guarantee. If you don't like the product, we will pay you double. This is a really bold guarantee. Be careful. But I've seen it work a couple of times. Performance guarantee, such as if you don't get customers in the first 30 days with our software, we will pay you back. Or the one that I use for my course, learn to run ads like a pro in 7 days, or I will pay you double. So if you're selling a service that is going to help that customer make more money, you can say, pay me as you earn. So it's going to guarantee them you're not going to take anything out of them, but they can pay you back as they earn. Delivery guarantee. If you don't receive your product in 2 days, we will pay you back. Last but not least, and this is the most important one, urgency. Majority of the people want to wait till last minute. We like to delay things. If they say, oh, I'll do it later, they probably won't. So make sure you want them to take action right now, then and there. Have a countdown timer on your website showing the number of hours left of the discount. And of course, you want to make it if you have a discount. Or if you're selling an e-commerce product, have a limited stock. Limited stock is actually scarcity, but we can tie that into urgency. So people will feel urgent to take advantage of that limited stocks. If you're a service-based business and building a landing page, you can use the this as, I can only serve 10 people with this service this month, so be quick, be one of those 10 people. This creates urgency as well. Be careful with the urgency tool. There are a lot of fake ones and they're so common that you can literally see they're fake. So you don't want to be that cheap landing page that does artificial urgency. Those are the 7 elements that make an amazing landing page, and don't forget to subscribe and share it with a friend that will find this useful.